and welcome to Smart Move to UK. It's always a pleasure to speak to successful clients who are now in UK enjoying their life there. And I have such wonderful client today on our channel, Mr. Ravi Shah, and it's so much of a pleasure to see him. We've been in conversation with him for almost 2 years nearly, isn't it, Ravi? We've been speaking with each other, knowing each other
Yes,
in terms of the work we want to do. And I'm so happy that you are now finally in the UK. How are you doing today, Ravi?
I'm fine, ma'am. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well, and see you on the other side of the country. So it's more better. It's like all that we had worked towards you up over there. So Ravi, tell me about and our audiences as well about your case, about how was your journey, especially to go to the UK.
Yeah, so I was planning to move to UK since couple of years. Earlier, I got a ban of 10 years, and my ban completed in 2019. And I was thinking to move to UK, but somehow it won't happen earlier. So
But do you
I
want to share on why were you being banned? Was it like, you know?
yeah. So after my schooling, I applied for a student visa, and in that there is one document that was not a genuine one, and that is created by some local agent. So for that reason I got banned for 10 years.
So they didn't represent you properly in your application. They didn't advise you correctly.
Correct.
Okay. It must be really devastated, isn't it? It must be really very, very
Yeah,
upset when
very,
you saw the ban.
yeah, very frustrating, and very difficult years. So after that I have I was trying to find a job in UK, and I got one offer with the help of my friend. So last year I contacted Smart Move to UK for checking costs. So I had consultation with team, and actually it's unfortunate that cost was not a genuine one.
Oh, okay.
After that, I was that cost was issued by one agent. So after that I rejected that course, and genuinely finding some job in UK, and luckily I got one offer from company, and they issued me a course. So again I contacted Smart Move to UK, and after checking they say this is a genuine course, but small errors is there. So I had consultation with Hemang sir, and he suggested me changes to be done in course. So I contacted again the company, and that corrected that error. After that I applied, and after application I got interview. That interview lasted for 90 minutes.
Wow. Quite a
And
long time.
yeah, and I was preparing interview, and Disha ma'am, all the Smart Move to UK team helped me a lot in preparation. What kind of questions they might ask. You just have to be confident, and they gain confidence in me. So that is the main reason I successfully completed 90 minutes long interview, and straight from second days after interview I got my visa.
Very nice.
Yeah. So it's been 1 month. I'm in London now. I came here in 20th of December.
I see. You see,
I
you enjoyed your Christmas and your New Year.
Yes, I enjoyed my Christmas here, and I am getting always right guidance from Smart Move to UK team, particularly from Disha ma'am, Joyce ma'am, Hemang sir and Falguni ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So throughout this application, and because the previous history that you had about not getting right kind of assistance when you first wanted to apply, I mean, you almost lost opportunity for 10 years because you weren't presented correctly.
Okay.
Um, when you met Smart Move to UK team, how did you feel about it? People get bit more apprehensive because they don't have a strong background, or they have these worries from the past, and a very severe concern because that was a country ban that you had received. What is it that you were looking out for when you were looking out for another somebody to represent you? What is it was there in your mind? What kind of representative did you have in your to sort of
After getting my course, I contacted another two, three companies. I had a personally meeting in companies in Ahmedabad and Vadodara, that is in Gujarat, and I was not, satisfied with their answers. They are having very lack knowledge about, because I was having very, complicated case, I can say. So I contacted Joyce ma'am, and I had a consultation with Smart Move to UK team, and they I checked their website, their Google reviews, and I was having one friend who already succeed his application from Smart Move to UK. So he also suggested me Smart Move to UK. So after consultation, I was, I feel confident about that. This Smart Move to UK can help me, and that's the only company who can help me in, reaching UK. My
I
so
really appreciate Ravi you saying this because you are born and brought up in Gujarat, and you are having so many connections there. But you think that in terms of representation, it doesn't mean that you have to have a representative within that geography. You need to have a best representative. It can be anywhere in the globe, but you have to, especially if your matter is complex, you really need somebody who is well versed, who has quite a lot of knowledge, and has experience and expertise both to represent you. And I remember my first conversation with you. You were very worried about your pathway and how would the next steps look like, sort of thing. So tell me, Ravi, when you were working with Smart Move to UK team, how was their support? Because it's a process, isn't it? From where we start working on your file till we complete the application. How was the support from the team to you?
so I can say support was extremely very good throughout the process. It won't very, I can say, as my case was complex, but process was very smooth. Yeah, so whatever I'm having, so many questions, each and every time I was, just calling team. Particularly my case worker was Disha ma'am. So I was calling them, and they are always ready to answer me correctly with the, right guidance. They, if if I required, any complex questions answer, uh, Hemang sir was always there with me over email and over call. So the support and guidance what I gain is very smooth and good, particularly. Yeah.
And how did you feel when you got to know that you've got your visa approved? How did
Yeah. I feel like, finally my dream came true with the help, particularly a Smart Move to UK played very crucial role in achieving my dream. I guess.
We're very, very happy to be a part of your journey. And how do you feel now in UK? You settle well, and you got back to the system and routine in the UK. And how's been your family? Are they happy that you are settled?
Yes, all family members are happy. I have Here earlier in first couple of weeks I was having, I mean, weather change, so my body was not used to. But now I feel more, I mean, good. Weather is good, and I'm, you know, adjusting with weather and everything.
That is very, very nice, Ravi. Thank you so very much. Thank you for this conversation. I also want to know if you have to rate Smart Move to UK between 1 and 10 stars, 10 being the best. How would you rate Smart Move to UK services?
I would say 10 star.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And would you recommend, what is it that you will want to tell our viewers, people who are from different parts in India, who are again not getting correct advices, who are disturbed, who are upset, who are frustrated because they don't have the right kind of advice? Do you have any word of wisdoms that you would want to share with them?
So I would say uh, they are very professional, very friendly. They are having right kind of knowledge, particularly for UK. And Smart Move to UK is having, you know, um, a legal lawyer. I can say lawyer, right? Which terms?
Solicitors.
Solicitors, yeah. So Falguni ma'am and Heman sir is UK's licensed solicitor. So without wasting money and time with any local agent, go with Smart Move to UK.
Thank you. Thank you so
And
much.
I'll also tell about my mother's application, which we did before 6 months.
That's right.
So this is my actually this is my third application with Smart Move to UK. Earlier my application, I contacted them for my mother application, and my directors from the company which I used to work in UK, India. So
That's right.
that application, that both applicants went smoothly. They visited UK and came back. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so very much. Thank you. And we would be very happy to be part of your journey. And would you recommend our services to your friends and family if they are looking out for any assistance for UK visas?
Yes, sure. I'm always recommending.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We really, it was our pleasure to represent you. And I wish you all the very best, Ravi. I hope all your dreams come true in the UK and you have a great success in your life in the UK.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.